Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to reset password on AliExpress. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser. I'm going to use Chrome browser here. After opening the browser, now go to the search bar right here and start typing aliexpress.com. After typing so, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of AliExpress. And after going to the official website, now what you're gonna do is go to the profile icon right here. Just hover your mouse just like this. Then you can see the option of sign in right here. Click on it. And then here you can see there is the option of adding your email or phone number. Simply just type down your email or phone number that you have registered from. Now, after typing down your email or phone number, click on continue. And then here you can see there is the option of typing down your password. So if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset it, what you're going to do is click on the option right here, forgot password. And now here you can see we are on this reset your password option. You can see there's two options, email, member ID or phone number. I have registered from my email, so I'm going to select this option. If you have registered from your phone number, you can select this option. So I'm going to write down my email address in here. After typing down your email address, now click on continue. And now here you can see a verification code will be sent to your email address. Simply just open your email and check it out in your inbox. Here you can see AliExpress has sent me a notification. And now here you can see this is the code. Simply just copy it and paste it down on their website just like this and click on verify. And now what you're going to do is set yourself a new password in here. And for the confirmation, type down your password one more time. After typing down your password one more time, click on update password. And just like this, you have now successfully reset your password. Click on continue in order to continue with the website. And just like this, now you have reset yourself and password, and now you will be able to log into your AliExpress. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.